So here is viral trending app called what3words. It's available on iOS and Android, and let's just install it together and go through it, how it works. This app also available on Apple Watch, iMessage, iPad. So the concept is very kind of simple, but it's very powerful. So basically, all the maps in the world are divided on these squares, and each square, each location has these 3 words. So instead of coordinates, you just have these 3 words, and and then basically you can use this for meetups. So you can use with your favorite apps, and then you can just capture these photo locations and voice entry for fast searching, and then just say a 3-word address. So yeah, super interesting idea for meetups, and just to make it more fun. I don't know how practical that is, but yeah, if for example, like instead of let's meet up near this cafe or something like that, you just say I want to meet up in these 3 words. So here's, for example, what you can see. I don't know actually the size of this square. Is it like, I don't know, 2 square meters or 1 square meter, or so here you can see. So yeah, for example, let's just go through some spot, let's say in in Copenhagen. So you can see like some famous Tivoli, for example, and then you will say like, okay, we want to go to Tivoli, and then this spot here will be like last panic such, and then you can just take a photo of that, and also you can also scan the address. You can also use voice search to try a 3-word address. So someone is telling you this address, and then you can just search for that. Also, you can search. I don't know what is the possibility of entering randomly some address. So yeah, you can see that there are already some addresses here. It's not the same word as but it gives you similar results. So photo mode, share a photo to precise location by adding what3word sticker. So you can see all these features. So discover 3-word address, share address. You can then navigate to the address. So for example, if I want to navigate, I just tap the button, and then I can use what3word address. So yeah, then I just need to calibrate it. So yeah, something like it. So you can try that. You can use that, or you can navigate and then just open it up in Google Maps. So that part also is pretty cool. So yeah, like cool, interesting features which you can try out, and then you will just see, like how would you go on the car, on the bike, or walking. Then you can save locations, search with voice, you can scan, share with photo. So scan a 3-word address. Yeah, it's kind of, it adds some these fun elements. So for example, if you own a cafe or restaurant, and instead of like just writing the street address, maybe it's like old school, you just write the word address. So it's kind of pretty interesting. So it's a free app, so you don't need any yeah, any payments to access it, and then you can also delete your account or something like that to log out. You can log out, or yeah, if you're concerned about your privacy, just delete all your data. So hope that is helpful, and yeah, that's a quick overview. Thank you for watching.